Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I will show you how to make okonomiyaki. This is the second of the requested series. Okonomiyaki is the best known street food in Osaka, especially popular among tourists. I grew up in the next town to Osaka, eating okonomiyaki quite often. Okonomiyaki is inexpensive but nutritious and of course tastes good. I made okonomiyaki even for my son's infant meal when he was little. Let's get started with making a batter. Scrub the Japanese yam well. This is used as a binding agent. Burn the fibrous root directly on the flame. The most nutritious part is ringed under the skin. Moreover, it's very slippery, so it's easy to grab with the skin on. Be careful if you have a sensitive skin. React to the agent, which causes itchiness. Grate about 3 tablespoons. Dissolve dashi powder with 2 tablespoons of hot water from the ingredients. Add cold water up to 200 ml. Mix the dry ingredients. Add all-purpose flour, potato starch for lightness and crispness, baking powder to give it a good lift, and a pinch of salt and sugar. Whisk to combine. Make a well in the center. Add grated Japanese yam and 1/3 of dashi stock. Gradually combine the wet ingredients and dry. Add the rest of dashi stock in 2 times. The batter is very sticky like this. Set aside. Or you can simply use the pre-mixed okonomiyaki powder. I put the link of the product below. Next, cut the vegetables. Chop scallions and cabbage into small pieces. I always cut cabbage by hand because it doesn't clasp fiber and keep it moisture inside. If the cabbage keep its moisture, your okonomiyaki will be fluffy and light by steaming effect. Of course, you can use a food processor. Next, prepare the ingredients. Today, I will make 3 different okonomiyaki from one batter. One is pork belly, and the seafood comes to second, scallion and oysters. Oyster is sold in a water pillow in Japan. Cut open the pillow in the sink and drain. Add a teaspoon of salt and tablespoons of potato starch. Gently stir until all the dirty things come out and drain. Rinse under the cold water until the water runs clean. Let's assemble. We usually assemble okonomiyaki one by one. The reason why, after we mixed all the ingredients, we have to fry it as soon as possible before the moisture of the cabbage coming out. Mix well with a spoon, binding all the ingredients in the batter. It may seem the butter is not enough, but trust me, the ratio is just fine. Heat your pan well and grease with generous amount of vegetable oil. I am using my electric griddle as I used in the last video. Set the temperature at 200 Celsius or medium-high on the burner. Pour a butter and flatten just a little bit. Okonomiyaki should be 20 cm in diameter and 2 cm thick. Place the pork belly to cover the surface. Cook 3 minutes. Next, the seafood. Mix all the ingredients same as pork belly and mix in chopped seafood. Pour the butter onto the pan and cook 3 minutes with the lid on. Last but not least, the oysters. Mix all the ingredients but add chopped scallion this time. The oysters and scallions really go well together. Add oysters and pour onto the griddle. Cook 3 minutes with the lid on. After 3 minutes, flip them over. Put the lid on again and cook another 3 minutes. Flip them over again and cook a couple of minutes more. So we will fry the okonomiyaki 8 to 10 minutes in total. When you touch the center and bounces back, it's done. Brush the okonomiyaki sauce. Be generous to apply a good amount to sizzle like this, and drizzle mayonnaise. Draw the chopstick back and forth if you want. Sprinkle bonito flakes and aonori seaweed, and it's ready to go. Do the same to seafood. To the oyster, apply Japanese ponzu soy sauce. Tangy citrus soy sauce and the flavor of the sea goes so well together. Elder people prefer the ponzu soy sauce finish for its lightness. Cut the okonomiyaki into chunks and have a big bite. Tastes so good. The pork belly is my all-time favorite. Crispy on the outside and fluffy and melting texture. The butter is so good. Okonomiyaki literally means as you like, so you can add anything you want. Just give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. If you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!